Your tail lamp lenses can become dried and cracked after several years of service on the road. Not only is this a hazard, but it can also be a problem with maintaining DOT compliance on the road, resulting in a ticket. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1967 Chevelle tail lamp lenses. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. The lenses are accurately manufactured from an injection molded polycarbonate design to look just like the originals. The quality of polycarbonate surpasses the other reproductions currently on the market due to our usage of high impact material commonly found in modern luxury cars instead of standard plastic. These are easy to install and feature the correct guide markings for authenticity. You'll be happy that you chose us for your lenses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.